अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वक्त हम आए हुए हैं गोलब क्लब में। ये गोलब क्लब में ऐसे ऐसे जानवर होते हैं, देखो।
Assalamualaikum. This is Gallop Club. This is a proper riding school based in Karachi, Clifton, opposite Dua Restaurant. We teach proper riding, basic polo and basic jumping, and we have beach polo. We are the only nursery for polo players who are producing polo players, and we have gathered a remarkable number of people who are attached with the horses, keeping their own horses, and basically involved with it. It's ongoing learning things, and we are always learning new things, new techniques. New things are coming in internationally. They are applied in different equestrian disciplines, and we learn that, and we keep on learning that, and we keep on having new techniques and new things in this and new skills. Horse industry might not economically support the country, but it socially supports the country as this sport develops the character and teach people teamwork, make people more caring and more stronger physically and mentally. So it has more social benefits than economical benefits. Pakistan, the horse industry is surviving on people's own resources and own efforts. Nowadays they don't get till nowadays we don't get that kind of a support that it can flourish on the potential it has. This club adopted as a club or a academy to train. In a way, this is we have proper professional trainers, and this is a proper professionally developed club where we professionally train people on international standards, and we are also affiliated with the club in England, so we are internationally recognized.
In your opinion, how would you see the future of horse riding industry?
The future of this industry is bright right now in the country, as more people are getting into it, more people are buying horses, learning riding, playing polo. Even in Karachi there are a lot of people doing that, so the size is increasing, but not to that pace in which the other sports are developing in, but on a reasonable pace it is developing and increasing. Our club participate like nationwide but not internationally. We play different places in Pakistan like Lahore, Islamabad, Pindi, and in Karachi, Malir Garrison competitive polo matches, but we don't participate in tent pegging, or we don't have such kind of jumping competitions in Pakistan where our members can go and compete. But we do teach show jumping. We don't teach tent pegging or racing. There is a club in at Safura Goat which has proper race track, and they are conducting horse racing, but we don't conduct horse racing. The Turkish drama Ertugrul Ghazi and Usman, it did affect the business, as people saw and people got that interest into riding, and they want to learn riding, and they want to see themselves as horsemen. So that also played a part in increasing the membership in last a year and a half. My message is it's a good sport. It's a good sport for kids, and it's very good for people to be with. It's a very good companion, the horse, and especially for the kids, it's very important in developing the muscles and their strength, their mental strength, and their character. So I wish everybody can involve their kids, if the families, into this sport, and everybody can get connected with the horses, as it's beautiful and a very loving animal.
Project completed? Yes, sir.